Welcome, in front of me I have SONY Xperia C5, and today I will show you how you can switch off and switch on your smartphone. So all operation you make by using power key, you can find it right here. So you have to simply click and hold it. When you feel vibration and get that notification menu, click to power off, click OK another time. And after a few moments our smartphone will be turned off, and if you want to switch on the smartphone you have to click and hold the same button. Let's make it right now, and also when you feel vibration and got Sony logo you can release that key, and now just wait until your smartphone turns on. And that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.